Hi, everybody. Welcome to this new VIP coaching session. This weekly we have new session of this week. Today I'm very excited. I want to show something that we're doing behind the curtain for you. You know that we always help you make more money, and also we created now a way where you can even offer this service to others, and we're always speaking about this, and now we created really something turnkey for you, and you will soon be able to have it. I want just to let you have a look behind the curtain. So if I okay, so let me share my screen. Screen share. Here we go. So here we are now on, I am here now in Go High Level in the back end. I wanted to show you how easy is it to activate the conversation AI. We spoke a lot about it, and I wanted to show you how easy it is, because some people told me, yeah, but they had the feeling it's complicated. Yeah. So this is really, really created for small business. It's not like usual AI. We have to connect a API. It's all and then yeah, it's all made for you. Yeah. So what just to show you how you can activate it. Yeah. So you go in your high level, you enter, and then you are on the, what is important, that you are on the agency view. Yeah. First, you switch to agency view. Once you are in the agency view, you go here to conversation AI, you click on it, and you arrive in this area. So in the agency, here we are on a dummy test website. That's where we will do our test, yeah, for us before we go live for customer. So here you decide where you want to activate the conversation AI. So you decide on which sub account that you want to activate it, yeah. And so you can activate it, deactivate it. You just click here to, if it was not activated, you just click, boom, it's activated. Yeah. If it's, so that's where you activate it. Then after you go to, you switch to your account, the sub account. So even if it's for yours, yeah, you have to go to switch also to yours, and you come to settings, and then you have again conversation AI. Yeah. So you go on the settings here, and then after you can activate it again completely off, or that it is suggestive, meaning when suggestive, this is when you are in the chat, a customer is writing to you, it will propose you an answer. That'd be very useful when you're on SMS. So it proposes you a text, what to answer, and then you can put send. So you save a lot of time, yeah? Especially if you have a lot of questions coming in. So, and you have a lot of chat that come in, and the emails, and the people wrote on Facebook, people wrote on Google Business Profile, and you have to all reply all those requests, yeah? So the conversation will make you suggestion what to answer. It's also a good way for you to see, if you don't trust the AI, to say, oh, I want to see first what the AI will say before I put it on autopilot. Yeah? Then you can put it on suggestive and see those questions, and you send the reply. Yeah. Or you put it on autopilot, and it works very well. Yeah. So now it's connected to ChatGPT 4.1, which is very advanced. It's really looks human, and it really understands. It even understands sarcasm, etc. And it's many times even better than what you would answer or what an employee would answer, because this one does not get tired and has everything in the head. It learns from your website. We don't go now in the details, but it learns everything. So it always have the perfect answer. So you put it on automatic pilot, and that's it. You just hit save. Now it's already active here on this test account. You just hit save, and this is done. It's already active. Yeah. So once this is done, then you can go to train the AI. Yeah. So, and there is two things that you can do. Is you create you give a URL. The best, you create a Google Doc where you just write question, answer, and then so there you can give it the yes, you can give it what you want to specific question, what answer you want. Yeah. And you can also give it here a URL, yeah, here, where you say, go learn here from my website. So you can say to use the exact URL if you want just to learn it for a specific page, or you give it from the entire website and it will learn there. So any question that people have and the answer is on the website, boom, it will already give those answers. And as I said, you have a Q&A question where you can give it a file. So you can just open a Google Doc and you put the link to the Google Doc and it will read all your questions. And you can anytime go to add and enhance. Yeah. And this is it. It's already ready. It is also the intents that you can do. And there you can really explain it who the AI is, yeah, to say, and there you can really write like you write to a human. Yeah, you are an AI, so it will announce it as an AI. You could even not say it, yeah, but you could say, yeah, you are an AI, and you're here to help the customer answering replies, and then, for example, what you want that it cannot do, cannot take reservation, send them to a contact form. And so you can just give, like you will teach somebody, just put a few lines of information, and your bot is already ready to work for you, and do all the work. Yeah. After this, you can go to the bot trial, and then you come here, and then you ask a question. Yeah. How much it goes? And hi there, could you let me know what specific service or product you're asking about? That way I can get you writing for you. See, that's the AI already reply, yeah? And then, of course, my question was very vague, but if it's a website that has just one product, then it will directly say the price, etc. You see, it's really writing naturally, yeah? So now, if you like the answer, you put a thumbs up. Yeah. If you don't like the answer, you put a thumbs down, and then it will show you the answer they had, and you can edit it. Yeah. So this way you make the change that you wanted, you write it what you wanted to change, and then you press train bot, and it will learn this answer. As easy as that. So now, if you want to increase your revenue, your sales, installing the AI, it increases drastically the amount of conversion that you have, because the people many times they have questions, they try to search on the website, they don't find it, they go out. So they can directly ask it. Yeah? So if I go, for example, on a website, it's the sharing that hide it from me. Yeah. Yeah, so if we go now on the website, then you will have a chatbot like this, where you can change the image here, which they have a question, let's chat. Yeah, or you can change this text. Yeah, and then when the person click, then you have, they can start to ask the question, and the AI will answer, like we just had on the we just seen the test before. There was training in the back, also testing in the back, yeah. And then here I put I can put it here, and just write high. And then we can here, for example, here we adjusted that we have a delay, that it looks a bit more natural. Yeah, we have put a delay of 3 or 5 seconds, I think, that it looks more natural. But you can make that the AI answers very fast if you write this in AI. But still, the people find it more natural. It looks more if you have a few second reaction time. Okay, so now and that's how it works. And then after you can send them. So you give the goal to the AI, what it should do. Yeah. So you can say, for example, many businesses say, oh, but you cannot buy my service directly for my website. I must talk to the customer. Yeah. So the AI will handle the person, warm up the person, and when the AI feels it has the person has interest, will ask to set an appointment in your calendar. It will say, okay, I think the best will be that you will tell the AI what to say, yeah, but to set an appointment with Mr. Ta, or with one of our sales rep for a demo or for a discussion or for a callback, etc. And then the person will go and choose an appointment in your calendar. So you're generating leads. Yeah. So when you come back from your busy day, and then you see, oh, you have 2, 3 more new clients that want to have a call or a visit on place, whatever you have set it up. So whilst you're working, you're generating new business. Yeah. The biggest problem from small business is we are busy. Yes. So when you're busy with a customer, then you cannot care about the next customer. So meaning when you come back, you have a hole. Yeah, all small businesses is the same. They have a hole because they have to run after the next customer. Yeah. So there's always a time when there's nothing coming in, and that's eating the benefit of the last business that you had. Yeah. So the AI, the bigger business, they have sales team, etc. So they work whilst you are in the front. Yeah. But a small business, and this is why this AI can handle also a bigger business, mid-sized business too. But here now we are training this for small business. This is my point of view, the people who can most benefit of it. Many businesses cannot afford to have somebody with 24/7 behind the phone to answer phone, answer chat, answer on Facebook, everywhere, and in Google business profile, etc. Yeah? But people are expecting you that. They ask a question. If you don't reply fast, they go to the competitor. Yeah. So that's why the AI will make a huge difference for any small business. And we have created basic training of the AI. So you can have a turnkey AI. You just need to give the small fine tuning from your website, your product, your prices, if you want to give prices, or if there's no prices, to ask for a phone call. It's just some little few things that we explain you how to start it, and then it's done. Yeah. And you're up and rolling. I wanted to show you how easy and fast is it to do it. But we did not stop there. Now our goal is really to help as many as possible to make money online. Yes. So one way to make money now with the AI is to use it for yourself. That increases drastically the conversion to meetings, to sales. But now what we are creating is a way that you can offer this to other small businesses. Many small businesses dream about this, yeah, because this is one of the biggest problem of of small business that I know, yeah, working now since over 20 years, helping small business making more money online, is the problem to be present. Yeah, you just available a few hours to reply message, and then the rest of the time you are working and with your customer or preparing something. You're in the front, yeah, and also at night you need to sleep, yeah. So the people expect you, as I was saying, to be always there. So 60%, for example, 62% of businesses of phone calls calling to small businesses are unanswered. So what do people do now? They Google saying they need a plumber. They see, oh, they see the first one, they call, yeah, and then nobody's replying. They call the next one. They call the next one. 62% of the calls are not unanswered, meaning you lose money. It's lost money. Yeah. But having an AI directly sending an SMS back, hey, hi, I missed your call. Sorry, busy. How can I help you? And then you start communicating already with the person, yeah, then the person will not call the next one. Even if the AI say, okay, my boss will call you back, or please fill this form, and then we call you back as soon as possible, yeah. Then the people know, the process is started. The business is saved, yeah. So this specific business is saved. You will have it. You will not go to the competition. So now I know that a lot of business, and there are millions of small business out there. So, but AI is not obligatory open yet for every small business, due to you need to set it up. You need to do everything for it. Yeah. But here we offer a turnkey solution where we can set up people very fast. And we, for example, ask $397 to set it up. Yeah. But we have already a big part which is set up. So it will just need maybe 1 hour additional to with a specific question. Yeah. The quick sit down with a small business and tell, okay, what are you? You want them to call you on your mobile, or you want to call back, you know, to give all those small information that you want the AI to do. But the general training for small business is there already. Yeah. So we prepare this for you. As I was saying, we are preparing you, helping you to make money online. Yeah. So here we have provided a basic training of the AI, a solution ready inside high level. We use the power of high level, then after you can add a lot of automation around, but this is all turnkey ready there. Meaning you can offer this to people, and this is very easy to sell. If you say the advantage of it, you just say, hey, how are you request? If somebody write on Facebook or on your website, can they ask question? No. Oh, did you know that you can increase by so many % your sales? And immediately they know, oh, I can have just a few more sales. They want it. Yeah. And everybody hear about AI, but it sounds too complicated. Yeah. But this is turnkey AI ready for small business. And what we did not stop only there. We are creating now a website. This is now the website that we are creating now for at FedTech here, where it's a website straightforward to sell the AI to small business. Yeah, so you can use it after as demo. You will get this website ready. We are creating it now for us, testing it to make sure it works well. We're doing A/B testing to see what to write on it, what converts better, and then after you will get this as a snapshot that you can upload in your high level, and you have already a website ready. So you can just change the logo and it's already yours. Yeah, you can make any other change that you want, but just change the logo and it's already already branded on your name. Make it simple, yeah, so that it can really be easy to change your logo. Yeah. Then the people will have a homepage, pricing, contacts, and requests for free demo, which will be a lead for you once they fill this. Yeah. So you can have this website offering it to people to get more business. You can run ads to it. for small business, so people who are searching to have an AI on their website. It's a specific, this website is specifically now made for the chatbot that is here on the website, yeah, for a solution there. So now, you see, meet your favorite new employee, a fully trained AI chatbot that, as I say, it's fully trained, yeah, never sleeps, never gets sick, never needs vacation, replies right away. Yeah, somebody is 24/7 for you. Things like that, it costs a fortune to have 24/7. You need already 3 person, yeah, to have a team, yeah, three shift, yeah. So then people can, oh yeah, okay, I want a free demo. They fill the free demo, they fill the form, and then boom, that's for you, a lead, yeah. Otherwise, a bit explain how it works. Chat with us, yes, it is like this. Then the people can ask question and the AI replies. Then it's straightforward, and after you said easy trained, easily taught, easy customized, playground included, powerful AI model, private and secure. Then after you have here, and this is exactly what small business needs to do. 70% of users expect website to feature chatbot for convenience interaction. These are real statistics. Yes, people expect now to have now those interactions. Now that becomes this AI, they want it even more, yeah, because they know it exists. Yeah, so they expect it. If there's not, they just go to the next one when they have a question. They will not go and fill a contact form, etc. 74% of internet users prefer using chatbot for simple questions. And I can tell you, I do the same. When I go to a support, I don't like to read pages and pages of information. Yeah? I want to ask my question, and I like it's a chatbot, yeah, because then you don't have this pressure. Oh, are you still here and this and that? You can really ask the question, search what they say, and then it guides you to what you need. And if you're stuck, then after you have the button to press chat to an agent, for example, yeah. So I belong to those, and 74%, 87% of consumer rates their interaction with bots as either neutral or positive. 3 times faster, chatbots have remarkably accelerated response time. Yeah, if you go to a support, they also need to search in the wiki, and then it takes time. Yeah, the chatbot is always boom, 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 boom. You have your replies. Yeah, so these are things that people want it. Yeah, so you can show this to small business, and this a small business we cannot offer that because you need to have a whole team behind. Yeah, instead of there. Yeah. So you see, like general question, yeah. A lot of people have just question. It's time consuming. You know, when you post something on Facebook and you say, "Oh, I am selling my horse. It costs $50." People ask you how much. It's typically people read too fast. They just post, yeah. So and the AI will say, "Oh, it's that much." Will repeat the answer and cost very little money for that, yeah. And and if you have somebody, you have to pay a salary to just repeat the same over and over. It's sometimes just you can't cover the cost, yeah. So as a small business, yeah. And so like small question, the restaurant, it's written, they have a written option, but the people, they just straight ask, yeah? They go on Google Business Profile, they ask, they don't get a reply, and especially a restaurant, yeah? If you reply the day after, they wanted to book now, yeah? If they ask the question, they want to book for a table at 11 and they want to come for lunch at 12, if you don't reply in the next few minutes, the people, this business is gone, yeah, to be, oh, one of the group is vegetarian. Do you have a vegetarian option? Yeah. And then they always say, yes, we have here, we have the menu, you have the links, boom, boom. Should I reserve a table? See, it will make the conversion. Yeah? Or are your product or service locally sourced or produced? Yeah, what is my order status? Can I schedule an appointment or reservation? Yes, you can. Here you can tact. Here's the calendar. Are you pet friendly? Yes. So this small question, yeah, it makes a huge difference, yeah, and it warms up your customer. Yeah. So it always reply fast, and this the people can ask a demo. It's really straightforward what you need, yeah, to help you sell it to others, yeah, so that the people will pay you for the AI on their website. Yeah, so meaning you take them as sub-account in your high level, and they pay you monthly for this month after month. Yeah? And this is this big challenge that I'm saying now. It's a huge opportunity, is going into the SaaS business, SaaS, software as a service. So meaning instead of trading hours against money, which is the gross trade, 92% of the people do that, on this planet, so they they work against a salary, so you cannot scale your revenue, because you have only 24 hours per day. So so the rich people, they don't do that. They trade. They have assets, or for example, this is the perfect solution. You trade what the AI is doing. It's a monthly service that's going to be recurring months after months. So it's easy to have a lot of customers. You don't need to have a big team behind, because all work from the software or from the AI. It's SaaS, software as a service. In my point of view, from all I see now, I'm 30 years in business, so in digital marketing since 21 years. And this is the biggest opportunity I've ever seen. It's like you could go back in time and buy Apple or Microsoft. How we call it? Somebody come help me. Buy allez, action in French. Buy a share, buy a share of Google and Apple, So and then they shoot up, So it's the same kind of opportunity, so huge as this, And I never seen somebody helping that much, We give you the website, the AI training, and all the training, the support, and this every week the support, how to find customer. We help you find your first customer, and everything is ready, just turnkey for small business. You will get the website, you can just change this, and we'll teach you how to set it up and everything. Good. That's what I wanted to see, is just a quick peek behind the curtain. We're gonna make complete introduction, training, and then for it. But it's very simple. What you can do, this website, why is it so good? Is it for demos? So now, how you can demo this? Small business, but how does that work? So look how fast you can make your demo. You send the person to this website. You give them the website, to your website, this copy that you have, and you tell them to go on it, So they will see this, and they can go and say, okay, they read. It's very fast to read, And how does it work, Then you say, okay, just ask it a question, And the AI is trained to sell it for you, so it will sell it for you. They can ask questions, boom, 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 and then the AI will ask, do you like to have a one-to-one demo, or would you like to get started, And then after they can go for free demo or to get started, It can even give the price. We're training it now that gives the price, makes everything like a sales rep for you, So they put the demo, and you just need to close the deal, because they had the demo. They see how it was. They can ask questions. They can really test it, and they can ask stupid question. You will see the AI will come back to business. The people will love it. They say, oh, I need that. They will realize, wow, that's better. He's selling better than myself, or better than an employee. Maybe the owner has many tricks, he knows business well, but as any employee, and fast and accurate and always there, And so that's about the demo, And look what happened if I reduce the size, So it's mobile friendly. So you see now, let me a bit close the windows a bit for privacy policies a bit, Okay, so look, so that's how it look about on a mobile. Yeah, you see, they request a demo, and they scroll down. Yeah, they simplify the website as soon you're on that, and then you tell them, okay, try it. Yeah, boom. So you can just hand over your phone if you want. You see, then it becomes full screen. Yeah, when you're really on mobile, this becomes nearly full screen. Yeah, because it feels here that I'm on the desktop. Yeah, and they can quick try it. Yeah? They ask their question, they reply, tack tack tack, and then they see how it works. Then they know it. The demo is done in 5 minutes. You can be in a networking event, or you can be in any shop, going to a shop, buying something, and tell them, oh, by the way, that come in discussion. Do you have something? Oh, I checked your website. I see you don't have this. Did you know that it brings so many % more sales? And look, I have here a solution. And then you just give them. You can even give you mobile. They quick play on it. And then it will ask the details. Yeah? Would you like to discuss? Yeah, okay, just fill it and you see how it works. And I will confirm the appointment, and then it's done in a few minutes. It's really simplified to the maximum. Yeah. So this is what we are preparing for you, and I'm jealous because I never had an opportunity like that, and not just the opportunity. Everything is ready. The website, all the emails, everything is just turnkey. Just copy our email to follow, etc. So it's the biggest opportunity, in my point of view, to make money now with SaaS business. But many people say, but how can I do SaaS? Yeah, this is here turnkey SaaS solution for you. And then after, it's just a foot in. Yeah, the people will pay you $197 a month for this. Yeah, and then you can have 10 customers. You're ready by 1,900. Yeah, but this is a foot in. Once you have this, you have many other things that you can sell using the AI or using other automation. Yeah, we have the online reputation, for example, etc., etc. We can add. Yeah, and the people love it. They will get additional business. Then after, they will ask you to have more and more and more from you. Once you provide something good, people want you to help them more and more and more. Small business have a lot of problems. We know them, and we have for each one. I mean, not for each problem of small business, but for many problems that small business have, we have solution. We have more than 10 turnkey solution like this. I mean, turnkey solution for this. Yeah, but now we're really making them really this website and everything. Good. I hope that was useful. That's a quick peek. You will learn more. Stay tuned. We will learn more in the community, in those VIP coaching. I will always introduce you with the progress on that. Good. I hope that was useful. And now I want to open a bit the door to questions. I know that Amin had an issue. You had a question on your website, but now your website was down, so we couldn't cover this, and you got bad surprise on that. So what I can already say, something very important. Before we go to that, does somebody have any question to before we go to the Q&A? Any question to this AI opportunity? Is there something that you have question about the system, how it works, or whatever related to the AI, conversational AI? Here now we have oriented it for chatting on the website, yeah, to make sales for you, to increase your revenue from your website with whatever you want the AI to do for you. And it works well, so you can use it for yourself or to offer to others as a service and get paid every month for the work of the AI. So the AI is like your employee, and you hire this employee. So and with the website, everything ready to sell it. So do you have question on that before we go to the general Q&A? I should maybe look in the chat. Or Maxime, do you see if something has come in the chat? Did I miss that? Chat.
I haven't noticed any questions in the chat.
Okay, yeah, okay. Good. Yeah, I see now in social media we have one question. How much does it cost? So, how much does it cost? So you decide the price, how much you ask for your customer. Yeah, I would suggest 197 is good. So you have enough income, and so you can grow faster, and you can also finance advertising, etc. We'll also give you some ads ready to run, etc. And the settings how to do them. We'll have everything ready. But you can do it if you're in a country where life is very cheap. Yeah, you could go with 97. Yeah, if you can survive like this. But always think about high level the cost. Yeah, if you have 10 customers, no problem. You get already 1,990, 997, 970. Yeah, you get. So there is no problem. High level costs for unlimited amount of account, 270. Yes, so there is no problem. But when you want to start, you want to cover your cost, so you don't have to put money from your pocket. Yeah. So a high level is 97. So and you want one option, one for you. Yeah. So so if you make it 97, then you will get, I round it up, 100. Yeah. So we pay 100, and then you have two customers. You can have three customers inside. Yeah, one for you and two. So you make 200 and you pay 100. So you have already benefit. Yeah. And then when you want to add one more, so you will make 300, and then you pay 297. Yeah, for illimited. So that's the limit that I will go. I will not go lower, because with three customer, you have to upgrade, yeah, to take illimited account, yeah. So this means you will cover your cost at this moment, yeah. So then it's just okay, no benefit, but you cover the cost, yeah. So then after, when you add the fourth customer, then that's when, if you sell it at 97, you will have 97 benefit. And when you have each new customer, it will be, all the money will be for you. The whole amount will be for you, yeah. So I will not go below 97, yeah, unless you have already a way to find a lot of customer. Then you can fast go over 300 of revenue, yeah. So that's what I suggest, yeah. And for example, I will not go below, so the absolute minimum 97, and then not go below 197, so you can grow faster. And if you're in a country where you can afford it, and it's good, where people can afford it, I will even go higher, 297, 397, yeah. Or to put a setup fee, 397 setup fee, and then after 197 per month, yeah. So you have enough benefits, you can advertise faster, you can grow faster. That's about the pricing. What it costs, also how much you will bill for it. Yeah? For yourself, if you want it, then of course you have it inside your high level. So the high level costs 97 a month, and we probably all use it because there's so many other tools that we can use and already save. Yeah. The online calendar, online reputation is a whole tool that will cost more. They're already all inside. Yeah. So most of small business have high level, or if not, they can take it and save money. So they already get the money back, or make additional money, because if they had no tool, then they will make definitely additional money using tools. So it's 97 is the price amount. Then you have the entire suite. Yeah. Not only the AI. Then after, ChatGPT 4 takes you 0.02 per request. Yeah. So meaning your employee costs $0.02 per times it writes in the chat. Yeah. So it's very, very, very low. This is a cost that is there, but you can limit it. You can limit this cost to a maximum. You can say, okay, I will pay 67, I think. They were a bit changing, but around this, around $70, you can say, okay, I pay $70, then after you don't pay per request. Yes. So small business that will get, I don't know, $2, $3, $5, $10, you let it on per request, yeah, that you pay. Then after the business grows, if you start to pay 97, this means you 70, this means you have a lot of requests. So the AI is bringing you already a lot of business. So it will probably make several hundred, if not several thousand already on top what you are doing when you reach this kind of amount. Yeah. So that it costs $70 because it's 0.02, yeah, per post. Yeah. So so it's I want to try to calculate how many posts it will be. It's a lot. So where I was going with that. Yeah. So if suddenly you have more, then you can say, okay, I pay monthly 70, it's around 70. I must look at the price, and then it's unlimited requests. Yeah. So you can have a big business, it's a lot of requests 24/7 coming in, and the AI works just for $70 a month. Yeah. But small business don't even need to take that. You can pay as you go, 0.002. Yeah, small business starting, they will quite go far with this before they reach 70. Yeah. Okay, so that's the cost that it costs for you. When you have go high level, you can sell it per customer per month. Yeah, like I was saying, and you can also make as they go. You can rebuild. What you paid is 0.002, you can say, I want to bill my customer 0.003. Yeah, so you get one on the way. Or you can say, oh, I make a low price per month, and I put a high price per use. Yeah, so this way you can adjust your price the way you want. Yeah, so it's very cheap and very big additional income that you can make for yourself. And if you sell it, the opportunity is huge. There's thousands, also millions and millions of small business, and most of them need that. Yeah. And the statistic shows it, and every time we show it, people really love it and want it. Okay, so that was about the price. Do we have other question coming in about the AI chatbot? Think, Maxine, did you have something on the other channels, maybe? Good, nothing so far. Good, so then we had one question from Amin. He like I was saying before, he had problems with his website. And so he was booked for that we review his website, but it wouldn't go now because his website is unstable. So what I had on that, the website is quite new. He's making a lot himself. He has also a webmaster helping. One thing, it's very important. Let me show you something on the Fairtech website as an example. We could do this on, but I go on Fairtech because I know it better, so I know my way around. Screen share. Everybody can see my screen. Yo. Okay, so that's the Fairtech website. Yes, so let's go now on in the blog. So there we have a lot of pages and sub pages. Yeah. So what I want to talk here, if your website is down, meaning you lose the business need a constant flow of customers. Hi, sorry. So when the website goes down, your website must be stable. Don't play around. Play around on a test server. You can always make a sub-web where you test your new website. Once everything is good, you migrate to the final server. Very, very important, because if your website is always going up, down, and the URLs is the address of the page. Yes, so here's the domain name, and then what is after is the file name or the folder name here. If there's subpages of the entire thing, it's called the URL. Yeah. So the URL must be stable. Why? Because some people say, oh, now I want to put keyword for SEO, and boom, they come to put the keyword inside. Yeah. But this website was maybe already 2 years there. So now when you change this to add your keyword here in the name of the URL for SEO, yeah, for example, or because it looks better or whatever, this means for Google, it's a new page. If you change the address of the page, this means this page does not exist. Now I rename this to high level instead of go high level. If Google tried to go high level, the page is not there anymore. Yeah. So this means the old page has gone, and maybe this page was bringing you business. It has already positioned in search engine. Yeah? Even if you don't see it on top, it can be found from certain ways. Yeah. So now you remove this. Yeah. So you will have the traffic on this page to 0. Yeah. And Google will have to strike and say, oh, they did not inform us that this page has been removed. Yeah. So till they realize for 2-3 weeks, maybe sometime more, Google will have it in the result. When somebody Google it, for example, they search for go high level, boom, you will be in the result. But then after when people click on it, it will come an error page. And Google hates that, yeah? Because imagine if you go on Google, you make a search, you click on it and say, oh, error, oh, page has moved, or it does not exist anymore. Will you still do your search on Google? You will not. Yeah. So Google has to maintain this. Yeah. And they cannot go every minute to check if your website is up. So in this time, you give bad reputation to Google. They hate that. Yeah. So make sure your website is stable. And when you change the URL, as I said, yeah, the page will not work anymore. So it has disappeared. And the page that you have renamed will be like a new page. So a new page has not as much chance as an old page to have good position, yeah, in Google when people search for it. Yeah, so you will lose this. Plus, Google will hate what you are doing. If it can happen, it's something. Google knows that sometimes a website can be down, and it's okay. If it does not happen every time they come on it, and then it's down, or every second or third time it's down, then your website will be pushed down the result because it's unstable website. That's the first thing, yeah. So make it stable. So when you crash the website, your webmaster make an error, go always to check that the URL are good. In the beginning, you can take some bookmarks. Yeah, that's when we have website we help customer doing themselves. I quick take bookmarks of the different pages, some key pages on the website. So when they crash it, and after when it starts again, I just go on the bookmark, and then I just click the first page, the second, I see if they are still there. If they are not there, then I know, they have played on the URL, and tell them, oh, put them back. And on the bookmark, we see the URL, then you can say, okay, put again this address to this page, so it works. Yeah, that's the most important thing that I can tell you when your website crash or when you make changes on the website. Yeah? Don't make huge changes that will change those URL. Yeah? If you need to change a URL, change it maybe from 10, maximum 20% of your website, and keep the rest like it is. So Google say, this is still the same website. Yeah. And then when you change your URL, you can announce this to Google. You make a 301 redirection, and in the Google Search Console, you can say this page is now on this address, this page is now on this address. Yeah. And as I said, make only maximum 10% of your website changes. Yeah. So that you see the website is stable. And then it's even positive if you really reorganize a part and you announce it correctly. So, they maintain the website. So you gain the trust in Google. Yeah. But if you let it crash, the URL change, huge problem. So now for Amin, who had this this problem, my advice is make sure the URL have stayed. And then now, if you're not even sure like the URL where, yeah, so take now bookmark how they are now. You can also go on Google, you can go and then you do you see, if I take this and I just go in general in Google and I search for this, then it will list. Oh, I know it put me directly. You can list the page, but it should already change. Now, if you put, yeah, because it puts it up, yeah. So let me remove the HTTP. Yeah, you can list. You have to use the syntax. You can put double dot pages or something like this. It's not this, but let me just try by log. Yes. No, it's just search. You can have it will list all the page that Google has in the database. So this way you can find the list and you can click on them to see if they still work. Yeah, but I recommend take some bookmark and always your URL, yes, so that you can always check that they are there. But you can get the list. I don't remember. I don't remember list or something like this. To list all the pages, because you could just put the domain in the past, yeah. But now I see they changed this, yeah. As it is going in the URL, so it go to the website. But you can get the list at all pages that Google have, yeah. So now after you can quick check them, are they working on? If not, what is good, you see, you know, when you go here on the page, you see down here, look when I go on it, it shows the URL, yeah, here down. You see the URL is now here /about-us, yeah. So, and if this is not working because now you renamed it to, I don't know what, /about instead of about us, yeah. So then you will see, it's going to about us and I get an error page. So you know now the old name was about us, so you can rename them back to about us. This is vital. If you do this a few times, this error on the row, Google will just let you down. Yeah, you will be already completely down of the search result. Yeah, and also now, if your business, your website was bringing business, yeah, you will lose this business overnight because the people, when they click on Google, they arrive to an error page. Yeah, so very, very, very important. Yeah, you can find it also. This in the archive, web archive. You can search for web archive online, and then this will also show you the pages that were of your website. Yeah, it will even show screenshots of the pages, how they were looking like. Yeah, so you can even see the text that was on it, etc. to take this back. Yeah, that's huge difference. We had so many people who lost the entire online business, and for some businesses, the online business represents 70-80% of the income. Yeah, so we had business that were going into bankruptcy due to things like that. So take it seriously. And I know, I mean, it's new, yes, so you will not bankruptcy because that the website was not bringing yet a lot of income, but you need to build on a strong foundation, not in sand, yes, so you must have a stable website. That's the biggest thing that I can say now. If you have crash like this, and I'm sure this is very useful and very important to be careful about that, and I showed you how to revert it. Yeah, but make sure it just not happen from the beginning. Take backup of your website. Yeah, take the backup. You have a crash, you re-upload the backup, you're back to business. Yeah, exactly how it was. Yeah, very, very, very important. Good. Seeing the time, before we wrap it up, do we have any question related to anything, to the point that we covered as priority, or anything to your digital marketing, making more money online, opportunities, etc.? We are here to help, and we are here every week for Open This. You can come 24/7. You can come to our community on Facebook and ask question, and we'll get support. Good. Any question? Anything comes in? I mean, was it useful for you?
Yeah, it was really useful, but unfortunately, I had very bad internet connection.
Yeah,
So I got cut off and off
yeah.
on. But I understood what you mean. And the first thing is that still I cannot subscribe to high level because, as I told you before, one of my friends from England will do this, but he was unable to do. I was not satisfied with this online working, and he was not agree. So what I have done, in a new bank. I have opened a new account. So within 2 weeks, they will give me a new card, so that will work for international transaction.
Very good.
Because what cards I had in already the banks, they told me that this app is not allowed in their banks, high level one. So I couldn't
Okay.
manage this. Maybe in the next 4 days gone, maybe in 10 days, I will get this credit card. I will subscribe to the high level, and
Yeah,
then I will take your help from there. And the
very good.
second thing is, you said my last week in the last meeting when you suggested me to make some categories in the blog section. So I tried them, and unfortunately, by mistake, I crashed all my website. It was growing, yeah. So
Yeah.
again, it came down for a week, and
It
then
was
my
growing, yeah, so it means this was the right thing. Yes, that's good.
yeah, it was growing with your suggestions, and but now again it is. Now I started to update all the posts again, and now it is growing again.
Yeah.
Hopefully, then I will not make such mistake again.
And take backup, yeah, so you faster back,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah, we took it. We did it. We did
Very
it.
good.
After
Yeah,
this,
backups and check your URL, yeah, because in CMS, I know you use a CMS. I think WordPress, you said you use.
yes, I use WordPress.
Yeah. So on WordPress, if you just go in the settings and make some change, boom, it change all the URL, yeah. It
Uh,
changes, it can keep the same name in the end, but it may change the folders in between, yeah, when you change the menu. So be careful about URL. It's a key to success. Yeah.
yeah. So
Okay.
another thing that before in the for the SEO optimization, I was using Yoast SEO.
Yeah.
But later on with this update, so my developer suggested me Rank Math. So in this case, he installed Rank Math instead of Yoast. And now I have to update all the all the posts. So will there be any problem with this, or what will happen?
Yeah. Okay. So on that, yeah, but that's something we could go deeper in another session because now we have reached the end. But what I just
Okay.
really quick. So we are quite happy with yours. We personally we use yours. We recommend it to our customer in the agency. Yeah. We install it when people make new website by us in the agency. We install yours because it's free. Yeah. It's free, reliable, great support, and then. So we use Yoast also and for ourselves also, yeah. That's Mochiva who could reply on question for that
Right.
from the tech team, yeah. And it's good, it's reliable, yeah. I mean you can go with Yoast, yeah. And like you said, yeah, when you migrate from one tool to another, you will have to redo all those URL, yeah, because Yoast is
Yes.
unfortunately on WordPress out of the box. You cannot rename URL and adjust meta tags the way you want. You need to have this plugin, yeah, also a plugin, yeah. And Yoast
Yes.
is covers what you need for serious SEO, yeah. Some few tools they
Yeah.
say, oh, they will do this automatic and for you. It's not good, yes. It is manual things for now. AI will maybe take over on that, but for now, manual things are much better than the tools here for SEO. So,
Okay.
because you need to do a keyword research, you need to take the decision for human. Of course, yours can do many things automatic. Don't let it do, yeah. But of course, if a website has never done SEO, it will improve. And you say, oh, this tool works well, look good. I can show you statistics. We have sometimes small agencies that come, yeah, and in the first few years of doing SEO, and they say, look, I did it for this customer, boom, statistical, I did it for this customer, it goes up, I did it for this customer. And it's the same like SEMrush, yeah. If you did not do anything, it goes up. But if you did professional SEO, like I was saying, yeah, to create category, organize your category with the keywords, then stop using the automation for SEO, yeah, because you're doing already better than the automation can do, yeah. So yeah, careful with those tools. But I'm happy to hear that you say, yeah, what we have done has bring results. Happy to hear that it works for you. Also happy that you're finding a solution with credit card, because as an online entrepreneur, you need a working credit card, yeah, because everything works with that domain name. You pay them by credit card. Everything you pay them. Or most of the thing. The domain name, you can get them sometime local and go pay somewhere, but many things you need a credit card that works. Otherwise, the life is too hard. Yeah.
Yeah, now
Okay.
it is.
Yeah.
So like
And
this, you are
it even shows that you're legit. Yeah, because now world over, the people are controlling that people cannot cheat. There's too much going on online, yeah, cheaters inside. So with a credit card, they know you're legit, yeah, because if you have a credit card, they can trace you, yes. So, and as we are here to learn how to make serious business, so you have no problem that they can trace you, and it opens many doors, yeah. So I'm happy to see you
okay.
grow. And this is, it's always, statistic never goes like this up. Yeah. They always
Yeah,
like this.
slowly.
It's going up and up and down and up and down. You just had now a down because of the website crash, but it will tick. It go. Because now you found the formula, yeah. You found, about creating the categories, and we look more, yeah. We'll review again your website. We'll continue regularly to make you grow, yeah. Okay. Good. It was nice talking to everybody. I think that was a useful thing from a scale from 1 to 10. How useful was today?
It was okay. So we have in the chat.
Sorry. Yeah, maybe in the chat. Yeah, I see there's also some other people. I'd like to see some things inside. Yeah, we have some 10. I see on Facebook also some 10s coming in. Very good, because we're on different channels. I like to share on more channel. Yeah, I see also some other 10. Okay, good. I wish you everybody a successful week. We meet us in a week again for some good tips and some Q&A. Thanks
To you.
Bye.
Thank you very
Thank
much.
you. Bye.
Great lessons. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.